Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher, and today we're exploring what management is and why it matters in business. Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve business goals. Every company, from small startups to multinational corporations, needs strong management to remain efficient, competitive, and financially stable. Without it, businesses risk poor decision-making, inefficiencies, and financial struggles. A manager ensures that people, money, and time are used effectively. They set goals, delegate tasks, solve problems, and motivate employees. Good managers must be strategic, adaptable, and able to balance short-term and long-term needs. The role of management is to coordinate operations and make key decisions that help a business succeed. This includes allocating resources efficiently, ensuring employees are productive, and keeping the company focused on its objectives. One key reason businesses need management is to set and achieve goals. Without leadership, companies lack direction, struggle to prioritize tasks, and fail to grow. Strong management provides structure, guidance, and a plan for success. Another critical function is decision-making. Businesses constantly face challenges, from financial struggles to competition and market changes. Managers analyze situations, assess risks, and make informed choices that guide the company forward. Good management ensures financial stability by budgeting, managing cash flow, and controlling costs. Without it, businesses risk debt, financial struggles, or even closure instead of long-term growth. Beyond finances, managers shape company culture and employee performance. Businesses with strong leadership and clear strategies see higher productivity, better teamwork, and greater job satisfaction. A positive work environment keeps employees engaged and motivated. Another crucial function of management is risk management. Businesses face risks such as economic downturns, changing consumer trends, and supply chain disruptions. Managers identify risks, develop contingency plans, and prepare businesses for challenges to protect long-term success. Imagine a retail business with no structured management. Employees lack direction, stock is mismanaged, and customer service is poor. The result: confusion, low morale, and declining sales. Now compare that to a company where managers set clear goals, monitor performance, and ensure smooth operations. That business is far more likely to succeed. If you plan to work in business, understanding management is key to career growth. Whether you aim to be an entrepreneur, team leader, or business owner, knowing how to organize, plan, and make strategic decisions will set you apart. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Like, subscribe, and comment below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next lesson on management versus leadership.